This video is about custom gizmos and icons. Gizmos are small overlay graphics associated with your game objects. Use them to navigate the viewport or locate specific objects. Select the game object and click here to open the icons and choose any icon for this game object. Similarly, selecting this game object and marking it with the orange diamond icon. This way we can mark some specific category of game object, so later you can easily identify the one category of the game objects. And we can mark any game object in the scene. These bigger icons are useful if you want to also show the name of the game object as well. Assigning this game object orange, and we can see the name is Wood Impact. It makes it very easy to identify different kind of objects. If you have a complicated scene or a scene with hundreds of game objects, these icons resize itself when we came closer or go far away. And when we are too far away, they hide themselves so it doesn't create a mess in the screen. Selecting this cube and assigning a small icon to this. And we can also select the custom icon, select the object, open the window and click on Other. And select the icon you want. I have chosen the icon randomly. Now this cube have a custom icon. This plus sign is a custom icon for this particular cube. And if you already have an icon, we can also remove the icon by clicking None. Removing icon from this cube as well. Using this gizmo menu, we can enable or disable different type of gizmos. And we can turn on or off all the gizmos by clicking on this gizmo button. You can also create gizmos with script and make them interactive. For example, a gizmo could help you define a volume area of influence or for a custom component. And that was it for the gizmos and icons. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.